Hey everyone, so today we're going to Knott's Berry Farm and we're checking out some really cool stuff. Hope you enjoy it and like it and subscribe. But please enjoy. To Knott's Berry Farm. This is the ride no one should ride. It is very uncomfortable, that's painful. It's a wooden roller coaster that's avoid the Ghost Rider at all costs.
Good morning.
Welcome to the General Blacksmith. What is he doing?
Pumping air through that tube up to the bottom of the flames to get it hot.
Oh, cool.
Now watch. Now you pull out the bright orange. You pump air through it. And pump it a little bit more. That's the color he wants. See how much more flame came up? Now watch. It's going more over the top of it. It's soft metal, by the way. I always thought it'd be kind of cool to do that. You make a mistake, you're in the hospital, you lose your fingers and limbs. Now it's bright orange. It's far enough away so we shouldn't have any sparks coming out there. Now you can beat it flat.
What's he making?
Just watch. Making a square.
Recording.
Might take an hour to make this.
Really?
Really long.
Yeah, we'll come back. This is the Knott's Berry waterfall over at the Mystery Theater. It is a bit noisy, but it's beautiful. And we have some fish here too.
And of the pioneer spirit of the West. Walter Noah was on hand for the dedication of this railroad, and his traditions have been maintained every day since. Have a great journey, and we'll see you at the station. And folks, as a reminder, please remain seated outside, so make sure not eating, drinking, or smoking at any time.
Here is the train at Knox.
All right, everybody, get those hands up in the air. This is a holdup. Now, take your gun out of your holster. Wait a minute, medicine. Oh, that's good. You, behind the counter, open up the safe.
There ain't no safe.
There's no counter either. What's that say?
This is the chapter how to rob a bank.
That's wrong altogether. Sorry. Are you scared? Get those hands up. This is a holdup. Now, take your gun out of the holster. The same thing that you said.
The organs that are pretty much the same.
As I meant, now you're going to hand over all of your vegetables.
Vegetables?
Valuable.
Valuable. Sorry, those are off plate. Hold on. Sir, put all of your silk stockings in the bag and no one gets hurt. Oh, I'm sorry. This is how to rob a lingerie store. My mistake. This book has everything.
Well, that's Knott's Berry Farm. I hope you subscribe so you keep seeing cool stuff. We have another video coming soon. That's really cool. So if you like that, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.